Hi, my name is Vic Gundotra. I'm a Vice President of Engineering at Google, and even more importantly, I'm the proud father of two children, a young boy and a girl. They literally believe that any question they have, they can go find an answer to, and they can find it instantly with the phone in their pocket even. And so I really love that the internet has been a tool to help satisfy their curiosity about life and about questions. We've taught our children that while the internet is a great resource, that there are two things they have to be worried about. One is the amount of time they spend on not just the internet, but on any digital device. And we keep that time extremely limited. They're really allowed to use the computer for non-school related activities really on the weekend. And that keeps a cap and allows them to focus on their schoolwork during the week. And the other thing that we're concerned about, and we've talked to our children at length about, is that not everything on the internet is appropriate for them. Neither is it appropriate, nor is everything they find out on the internet accurate. And so we've taught them restraint and a degree of critical thinking. Our children not only have software on their computer that limits which websites they can access, but even in cases where they can access a particular website, for example with Google, we do audits on what they're searching for. In terms of software tools, we also use those to supplement our auditing and our limiting of time. Those software tools include restrictions in the operating system. On the Apple Mac platform, for example, it's using some of their tools. It's very easy to restrict the number of sites, particularly for younger children, where you really want to limit only the sites they can go to. And smartphones are increasingly giving you the ability not only to do auditing, but to be able to restrict what children can go do online, who they can chat with, and what websites they can browse. Incredibly important for parents to stay involved. It's a mistake to allow children to have unlimited, unmonitored access to the internet. Certainly you wouldn't leave your child alone in the middle of a city, and you should never do that on the internet.